Yet again, we've got the clue in the name. The activities performed in the monitoring and control phase are about just that. Analyzing the actual with the targets, so we can understand through numbers if something is not working fast enough or well enough. Everything we've done so far has been setting targets, the scope statement, the timelines, the budget plan, and the quality requirements. But we can't measure against targets if they're not measurable. In other words, we need metrics. Remember the defect rate for the production company we talked about in the quality section, where companies could set a 0.5% tolerance for defective products? That's a metric with a target. And the call center example, where a vendor would set a cases resolved target of 98%. That's a metric with a target too. Or how about a construction company that needs to meet preset safety regulations? That's right, these will be measured through metrics as well. Basically, every target needs to be measurable and comparable to the actual. Imagine each task as a long dark tunnel, and you are traveling down the tunnel with a carriage full of supplies that need to be delivered by 5 p.m. You can see the light at the end, but have no perception of how far down the tunnel you are. You don't want to unnecessarily drop supplies to increase your speed, nor do you want to be late. Monitoring and controlling the task not only lights up the tunnel, but also reveals a chart along the tunnel walls detailing exactly how far you are from the end. The only thing you have to do is use predictions, intuitions, calculations, and experience to determine if you are on target or need to drop some supplies to reach your objective on time. You will need to frequently collect data on your actual progress. It will be predominantly your job as project manager to do this. But, as with everything else, you can delegate this to workstream leaders, as long as they update you regularly with the progress. Because, that's right, the project manager is the one accountable in the end. Right. Variances can occur in any part of the project, and it is how the project manager controls these variances that will make or break a project. So join us in the next few lessons where we will be discussing how a project manager can analyze and control each area of the project. Thanks for watching.